Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I am currently in Kailua, Kona on Big Island, and I am so excited to be here, and I just can't believe I'm gonna be here for like literally a couple weeks. I can't believe I'm here. Like, I literally can't believe I'm here. Do you guys hear the birds chirping in the background? I'm so excited to be here. My heart is so full, and I'm whispering because my housemates are still sleeping. I'm just an early riser, and you guys have always known that if you've been watching my vlogs. So today is gonna be a pretty chill day. I have to do a couple work. That's what I love about being like a content creator or YouTuber, Instagram, doing social media in general, because I can work remotely and anywhere in the world, basically. I do have to just like, adjust my schedule when it comes to like meetings because obviously of the time differences, but I mean, I don't mind. Like, noontime in LA is like 10 here. I'm gonna answer some emails, but let me show you guys a little tour of this place because it's literally amazing. Here's my fit, guys, and I just posted a photo on Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, go give it some love because I took this right here yesterday. Oh, not that one. She's an island girl. Okay, let's go. So it says aloha. It's early in the morning right now, and then I already have some bikinis hanged up. So this is one of my favorite parts of the house. It's the outdoor shower. Here we go. I thought the outdoor shower was an extensive bathroom, but this is like the main shower. But it's cute. It's like in this little corner right here. So since I kind of have like a chill day, I'm going to try my best to vlog all of today. It'll be like a little, date with me. No, it'll be like a little day in my life. I'm gonna do some work for now, and then maybe I'll show you guys like little behind the scenes of how I also take my own pictures, because I brought my tripod with me just in case, no one can take it, or sometimes I really don't want to bother people taking my pictures. So I have a little tripod that I brought with me, and it's what I use to take my picture right here yesterday, and it turned out really nice. I just want to take you guys along with me today. It'll be a fun, relaxing day, so. Alright, so I'm almost done curling my hair. I forgot to film it, but I'm going to show you guys how I do the rest of my pieces, which is like the inner ones. And I always get questions on how I curl my hair. Honestly, I don't curl them in any special way. I just curl them normally. At least I think this is how everyone curls their hair. But I like to curl away from my face instead of like going in like this, like curling inside. I curl away so all the curls doesn't cover my face. So I like to take the barrel, put it behind, and then just curl away like so. And I like to just keep it there for like maybe 5 to 10 seconds, and then you get this super loose like curl. And this curling iron has been like my #1 curling iron for years now. I think I've had that since I was a freshman in college, but the brand is by Lange. I don't even know how to pronounce that. It heats up super fast. I've burned my skin a couple times before and it's gnarly, but it does the job, so just be careful. I don't really like super defined curls. I like them to just look like beachy waves, if anything. And I'm curling my hair because I want to shoot some content, like a little bit of content. I don't typically curl my hair on the daily, but when I do have to shoot some pictures, that's usually when I do it. so I don't burn the house down. After I curl my hair or even straighten it, I like to go in with my Moroccan oil, and I like pumped a little bit of it in this bottle, and I like to just apply this all over my hair to kind of get rid of like the flyaways. And this smells so good, guys. I swear I'm not being sponsored by them, but hey, Moroccan Oil, like, if you guys want to sponsor me, please don't hesitate. That's pretty much how I curl my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. I did already film like a makeup routine the other day, so that'll probably be another vlog, but I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly do my makeup. About to die, which is like the perfect time because I just finished my makeup. Super easy and super simple, natural glowy makeup. Hi guys, good afternoon. I just finished shooting a couple of content. I told you guys that I was gonna give you some little sneak peeks of the pictures, but I completely forgot. Also, both of my batteries died, so I couldn't really, film it. But now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some lunch. I'm thinking of either getting L&L or broke the mouth grinds. I don't know. I haven't had broke the mouth grinds, so I might get that. So yeah. I had L&L already, but L&L is also good and cheap. I don't know yet. So for lunch, we went to this sushi bar called Sushi Sam. And if you guys are visiting Big Island, please make it a point to visit this local sushi restaurant, because honestly, they have the freshest sushi. Looking back at these clips and pictures of it, I'm like, my mouth is watering. So please go ahead and try Sushi Sam in Kailua, Kona. Also, just a little tip, make sure you guys make a reservation, because I don't think they take walk-ins. I think we just got lucky that one day that we went in, but yeah, amazing. Highly recommend, and once again, support local. Alright guys, I got my food. It looks so good. I got the 2 mixed plate because I was like craving 2 things. I got some garlic butter shrimp, and then their spicy furikake chicken, garlic chicken, so good, with a side of spicy crab. And I also just made it to the beach.
car, the road is long and full of...